everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I want to take a look at my grow lights. Let's take a look at these things. Here is my grow light. I've had really good luck with these. I'm on my third year, I think, with these. And yeah, I really love them. I almost put those purple ones in, but I realized I didn't want to be looking at that goofy color all the time, so I opted for these more natural light, and I'm really happy I did. Alrighty, that's Papa Blue Shirt up in his grow room. I hope that was helpful.